I want to clarify a few things. I know that I have come on here to share with you guys my routine, considering that I'm going on a 6 month protective style challenge. If you haven't watched that video yet, please go to the description box of this video and you'll find my playlist, my protective style playlist, and you'll find that video there. Because of some questions I've been getting on my comment section, I decided to put up this video to clarify certain things. So I already said that the fact that you're going on a long-term protective style does not mean neglect. I am no advocate for you not taking care of your hair, all in the name of long-term protective styling. So I am an advocate for low manipulation, trying as much as possible to get your hands off your hair. Not that you should neglect taking care of your hair. I have a routine I follow anytime that I go on long-term protective styling, but I want to share with you guys two major things that you must never think of skipping. Like, never think of not doing this when you're carrying a style for a long time. And when I mean for a long time, I'm talking about 3 months protective styling, 6 months protective styling. That is the most I think I can go for now. The fact that it's a long-term protective styling, there's some things that I'm going to be doing while carrying on this hairstyle. So number one, I will never ever carry my hair for 6 months without washing it. I'm definitely going to be washing my hair every month. Where low manipulation comes in now is the fact that I'm not going to be washing my hair every week like I used to, or every 2 weeks like I previously do. I don't have to take my hair down and start manipulating, rubbing my hair and all that. No, I'm going to be washing, deep conditioning on my braids. So that is my definition of being as low manipulative as possible. Then another thing is, of course, I'm going to be moisturizing my hair, oiling my scalp, because somebody asked if I was going to be applying oils on my scalp. So I guess the person is trying to figure out, like, if I'm washing my hair once a month and I'm applying oils like 2 to 3 times in a week on my scalp, won't it feel itchy or feel maybe like excessive product buildup? No, because I am using lightweight oil on my scalp. So I have castor oil, I have coconut oil. I mix them to use to seal in moisture on my hair strands. But for my scalp, it's a different routine altogether. So all the butters, all the oils that I'm applying on my hair strands, I don't apply them on my scalp. Now, I have a very sensitive scalp, which means nothing heavy on my scalp. So I use coconut oil instead. And of course, coconut oil is a carrier oil, is a lightweight oil. So what I just do is to mix some essential oil, which is peppermint oil. That's my favorite. That's what I use. I mix it into my coconut oil and I use it to massage my scalp. First of all, I spritz my water, plain water, on my scalp just to keep it a little bit moist, not wet. Then I now go in with my oil mixture. So that is all, and I just need little. So that is what I do to my scalp. My hair strands is where I do the most work, because I spritz my hair with water or my herbal mix, whatever I choose to use, on my tea rings. Then I apply my leave-in conditioner, I apply my oils, and then my butter to seal everything in. So there's layers of product on my hair strands, but not on my scalp, because I can't deal with excessive product on my scalp. My scalp is not going to just take that. Even before I decided to start washing my hair once in a month, I don't use excessive product on my scalp. No, I don't apply thick oils on my scalp or butters. Those are my two major routines when it comes to handling my hair in my protective style. So till another 3 days before I repeat the procedure. Sometimes I feel my hair and I feel like, there's no need. Like, my hair is moist, it's still hydrated. then I don't need to. I skip it. So it's not like it's must every 2 to 3 days. No, it depends on how my hair feels. So I have to touch my hair, feel it, and see if I can stay another 3 days without remoisturizing it. So these are the two things that I cannot miss. These are the two major steps that I'll be doing for the whole of this 6 months challenge. And to me, that is low manipulative enough. So I hope that person that asked this question, and a lot of you who have concerns about how do I leave my hair for 6 months and stuff like that, I already shared what I'm going to be doing in these 6 months, how I'm going to be refreshing my braids and all that. So there is really no cause for worry. The only thing that might look odd is that you're going to be carrying one hairstyle like for 6 months, which is not a must. If you don't have to do this kind of hair challenge, then you really don't have to do it. It's not a must. So that is all I wanted to share with you guys in today's video. So I'm keeping it simple and short. Please don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.